Scott from Smartkits Australia, and I'm out here in Ipswich, Queensland with one of our completed deck and roof projects for one of our customers who bought the kit off us, the complete kit, the whole deck, the whole roof, and then had a local builder put the structure together for her. So a really good project to be a part of and a great example of a deck and roof combination that we supply through our website, smartkits.com, or by talking to your design consultant. Now, if you've been following us for a little while, you know that we're coming up to our 2023 I Built It Smarter photo competition. And this is the 4th year that we've been running this competition, and our first prize is $50,000 out of a $100,000 prize pool. And that's absolutely massive. This could be Australia's biggest home improvement competition, and everyone has an opportunity to win. One of our lucky customers is going to win $50,000 for their project, and one of our lucky people at home is going to win $10,000 just for voting. One lucky voter in our competition. So choosing which structure you like the best is going to win you $10,000. And we'd love for you to win that money today. So our 2023 I Built It Smarter photo competition, entries are open now. If you've bought a kit from us before and you've installed it, time to take some photos, send them through to us, and we'll be able to enter you into the competition. So on this video, check out the link below for ways to enter the competition, and follow us for updates and plenty of prizes to give away during the competition as well. So 2023, $50,000 could be yours.